Now let us discuss question 3. The question is, which of the following are Lewis acid? So the options are 1. AlCl3 and SiCl4, pH3 SiCl4. Third is BCl3 and AlCl3. Fourth is pH3 and BCl3. So taking the first option, there is AlCl3. So it has a vacant p orbital, that is 1s2, 2s2 and 2b1. So it is a vacant p orbital. So that's why it's an Lewis acid, as it is a electron deficient. Similarly, we can say that BCl3, because B is also in the same row as Al, so B is also a electron deficient. So BlCl3 is also an Lewis acid. So these two are Lewis acid. Hence the option C is correct. That is 3 is correct. Now similarly for also silicon has a vacant d orbital. Hence silicon is also electron deficient. Therefore option 1 is also correct. So the option 3, both option 3 and 1 are considered to be correct answers. Here is the thing that why silicon is electron deficient, because it can take one lone pair from here to here. That's why it's an electron deficient, and electron deficients are Lewis acid. Hence option 1 and 3 are correct.